Hello guys, welcome to iTest Learnings. Today we are going to look at the problem number 35, search insect position. Let's look at the problem description. Given a sorted array and a target value, return the index if the target is found. If not, return the index where it should be. So you are given a sorted array and a target value. You have to find out whether the target value is present in the sorted array or not. If it is present, just return that its index. If it's not present, then find out where it should be present. You have to return that index value. So let's look at this example. You are given a sorted array like 1 3 5 7 8, and the first scenario is like where you are given a 5, the target value. You have to find out. So the idea is here binary search. It's easy binary search here. So what we will do, we will take a left pointer and right pointer, and we will take the middle pointer, right? So if the mid pointer is equals to the target value, then we will just return that mid pointer, that is the index. In case if it is lesser, if the target value is less than this value, assume the target value is given as 4, right? This is the target value. This is the target value. So now if the target value is 4, in the binary search what you will check, if the given target value is less than 5. Why 5? Because this is the middle value, right? In binary search we use left pointer is 0 or right pointer is length of that array, which is 1 4 5. Yes, so 0 plus 5 by 2, this one is the middle pointer. So now we will check whether the target is less than the mid pointer. Yes, if this is less than 5, then what we will do, we will assign right equals to middle, and before that what we will check, if the target value is greater than mid minus 1, yes, then return mid value. In another case, if the target is 6, we will check whether if it is greater, target is greater than this value. Yes, it is greater than, then we will have to assign left equals to middle. But before that what we can do, check whether the target is less than the middle plus 1 or not. Yes, if it is lesser, then return middle plus 1. That's it, that's the logic. Let's implement it. Okay, let me take int l equals to 0, int l equals to 0, and int r equals to num start length. So now what we have to do, we have to check while l less than while left pointer is less than right pointer. Now you have to take int m, this is middle, equals to l plus r minus l by 2. This is like a binary search. So first thing what we have to check here, if nums of target equals to nums of mid, what you have to do, return mid, correct? The first condition, whenever there is a if the target value is present inside the array, then return it. Else if target is less than nums of mid, so the scenario which we talked about 4, so which we talked about, if it is less than the middle value, then what I'll have to do, if it is less than, then again check if the target is greater than nums of mid minus 1, correct? In that case what you have to do, return mid. And if that's not the case, you have to assign if let's say this is the target is less than the middle value, but it is not greater than the mid minus 1 value. In that case, what you have to do, you have to assign the end r right pointer equals to mid. So else if it is not less than, which means it's greater than, target is greater than, in this case whatever we discussed about 5 6. So in this case what you can do, check if target is less than nums of mid plus 1, correct? So in that case return mid plus 1. Else what you have to do, left equals to mid plus 1, that's it. So if it's not at all found, we will have to return minus 1. Let's do that. Cannot find symbol mid. Oh sorry, let me take this one as mid. Perfect, it's working, right? So there is one scenario, you have to check the boundary condition. So which means if target is less than nums of 0, return 0, I'll tell you. And if target is greater than nums of this is boundary condition. I will explain that thing. Since you return try running it. Oh sorry, I have to return here. It's working. Let's try submitting it. Accepted. I think it's accepted. Yes, right? So if you look at this, the two conditions I put here, assume you have a 9, right? So in that case, what happens, time limit exceeds because it's binary search, right? So what I'm checking, if it is greater than this value, I have to return the next value, next index. If it is 0, assume if it is 0, then I have to return the index 0. That's what I'm handling here, like in these two lines. So and if you look at the time complexity, since it's a binary search, a plain binary search, the time complexity is going to be order of log n, and the space complexity is going to be order of log n. Thanks guys, thanks for watching this video. If you like my video, please subscribe for more videos like this. Thank you.